If you want to get iPhone ringtone on the Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is you need to go ahead and open the Play Store, and then we can download a third-party app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So we're gonna use the search option, and then here in the search we can type iPhone ringtone. There we go. And you should be able to find many example apps that at least in theory should allow you to get the iPhone ringtone. Now in my case, I'm gonna use this app over here, I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna show you how to get the iPhone ringtone based on this app. But feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one or in case it doesn't work for you. So wait for the app to be downloaded and then installed, and once it is ready to be used, then of course you want to open it straight away. You might see some ads in the meantime, but of course you should be able to skip them whenever it is just possible to do so. After that, you can allow the app to access music and audio on this device, then press on OK over here to allow the app to modify system settings so that it can actually change the ringtone. Now over here we have the list of ringtones. You should be able to have a little listen to these ringtones. You have a little preview over here. So once you find the ringtone that you wish to set, just tap on these three dots right next to the ringtone, then tap on the ringtone button over here. We have another ad over here. And there we go, now we can tap on OK button, and technically now we should have our new ringtone ready. But just in case, we can go to settings and open sound and vibration, and for example, you can slightly adjust the ringtone volume so you can hear if the ringtone has been changed. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.